Hi and welcome to this week's video. So I'm going to be doing some pen turning today. I've got some black eye burl and I mixed it with some silver, I think it's pewter, black and white. It's absolutely beautiful wood. It's not dyed, it's got that natural black in it. I've been trying to get hold of some of this for a long time. I'm going to be using an Amiga, and it's one of the new black Amigas that I'll be using. Obviously going to sand the tubes, going to get the blanks cut and glued up, and I probably will paint the inside of the drill hole purely because I hate it if I can see anything through it, so I will do that anyway. I hope you enjoy this video and thank you very much for watching. Okay, I've come back for this bit. There's a lot of debate about painting inside of tubes. The chances are this won't need it and it's mostly wood. But why turn a pen, go to all that bother of polishing and then a tube shows through? So there's two ways to do this. This way is with acrylic pens and it's painting the tube. Now this isn't the actual way that I do it. But this is one way of doing it. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. I find that a bit fiddly, but I'm going to explain to you the reasons for doing it this way. So, this way I just basically use a cotton wool bud, circulate all around the blank, making sure it's more the resin that you cover. Now some people just cover the ends, but sometimes that ain't good enough and the blank, the mica, you can see through bits in the middle, so make sure you always coat the whole blank. Only takes a minute and it doesn't take too long. I usually leave it about an hour and it's dry, especially in the summer months. In the winter months I'd take it in the house, but it's warm enough out here now. So, coated. So, I prefer to do it this way because if you think about doing the tube, when you do the tube you then put the glue on the top of the tube. They're still wet. You then put the glue on top of the tube, so if it does show through you tend to see where the glue lines are. But doing it this way, by coating the inside of here, you're coating underneath the glue, so once you've gone back on here the paint will show darker and you won't see the glue line underneath it. So that's my reason for doing it this way. But I suppose it comes down to preference. Also this way you would really need to put acetone on these and clean them before you do it, because you still get bits that show through. drop back in. I've got a few voids in this one, so I'm going to do a little bit of a repair on it. I've got some black CA glue from Starbond, and I've also got the activator. So I'm actually going to just put a few drops onto this and give it a second or two to dry. A little spray. I've got another little one there as well. Put a drop in there. This dries really black. Perfect for this colour blank. Okay, I'll give that one a few minutes to make sure that it's properly cured, and meanwhile I'll get on to turning the other part. Okay, so I've just turned the other part down. Actually don't think it's filmed, but anyway, it was just really taking it down, and I have another big void on this side here, so I'm going to do the same again and fill it with the Starbond black, and then activate it, and I'll be able to go back to the cap now while this is curing. Okay. Also got a slight void there which looks like a little bubble. These were cured in a pressure pot, but sometimes you get the odd bubble. It struggles to get into the void. Now I might have to fill these a little bit again, but nothing else, it'll hold this part together, because when it gets to a bit like this, then it's at danger of actually breaking off. So okay, I'm going to fill this little hole here now. Okay, once again I'll leave this to cure. I think I've got all the bits in there, and then we'll take the bit off once it's dried up. Okay, as you can see, that's filled absolutely perfect, and because my blank is black, it's just blended in. They also do a brown one, which is this. It's a medium and it's brown, so that'll work well for maybe some of the other ones like oak or even elm. It'll just blend in. Okay, time for sanding now. Okay, we are ready for the clear coat CA now. Okay, so I'm back. Got got that all done and it's pretty much filled in with the black CA. I am now going to be using, it's a Starbond thin CA, and then I will be using the medium CA. I'll do 5 coats of each on here. First 5 are thin, then I'll be sanding in between and then doing the 5 of medium. I'll be using the Starbond activator in between because I do use an activator. A lot of people have lots of different views on that, but it works well for me. And I use plastic to apply the CA, and I usually just keep thick plastic bags if I get products in them, and I cut those down just for putting the CA on. I will take, the only thing is I will take these off and I will put some small bongs in each end, just something that the CA will come off quite easy on. Hi and welcome back. Just came in at the end really, just to show you. I will put some pictures up after. The repair that I did with the Starbond CA came out really well, and you cannot actually tell where it is because obviously this was a black pen anyway, but it blended perfect. The other reason I've come on at the end is basically to say I'm going to be taking part in it's a September tea light challenge. A tea light holder is what the challenge is. I'm going to put, this is a hashtag that the person's using, and that person is Claire from Making It Out of the Woods. The idea is to get something up during September up onto your channel, send Claire at Making Out of the Woods your link, and on the 1st of October she will be putting a video up with everybody's links so that everybody can then go back in and see what people produced in September. It's a great little challenge, so if you want to get involved, I'll put the links down to Claire's channel and her latest video where she announced it, and you can get in touch with Claire. And you don't have to be a wood turner, you can do anything. You also do not have to make videos. You can be on Instagram or Facebook. All you got to do is just let her know and give her the photos, and she'll put all the links so that people can go and have a look at what you've done. So yeah, that you'll see my video probably coming out within the next couple of weeks, and yeah, until then, hope you're all well, and thanks very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next video.